need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst.
Hi Jay! Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 18th birthday. So, pwede ka na daw maghugas ng pinggan. Sabi ni Clue, dara mo, dara ko. So, nasa yun kung sino sa mga dara mo. And soon, makakapag-swimming tayo ulit. Actually, hindi siya swimming. Ano siya? Pictorial na may konting swimming. No, Jay? Gusto mo yan? And wish ko sa'yo, wish ni Ate Mia sa'yo is pagbutihin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Yun lang. Maging mabuti kang ate, kay kasi mabuting anak, and makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Yun yung pinakamagandang regalo na bibigay mo sa magulang mo at sa sarili mo. Okay, Jay? Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung kaarawan mo ngayon. And bingo tayo soon. Love you, Jay.
Your body, everybody.
Work it.
Your body. Your body. Your body.
Happy birthday, Ate El. Ate, hope you study hard and be successful.
It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
Hi, Love LJ. Happy 18th birthday. I want you to know that I love you so much, baby girl. Stay humble. Siyempre, sana huwag ka mag-touchy. Kung gano'n ka ka-touchy ngayon, dapat ganun ka pa rin ka-touchy. Sa akin, huwag sa iba. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na lagi ako nakasupport sa'yo. Kung may problema ka, pwede mo akong lapitan. And syempre, gusto ko mag-thank you sa inyo sa unexpected friendship. Yes, I'm happy kasi nakilala ko kayo, especially you. And yun lang, happy birthday, and enjoy your day, God bless you, and stay healthy. I love you so much!
You're fine for a while, but you start to lose control. He's not in the dark, he's not in my heart. He waits in the wings, he's gotta play a part.
Happy birthday, LJ. Thank you for your love, your support, I really appreciate you. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Love you. Dahil 18 ka na, magpaalam ka na kay tito at tito na mag-shot. Baka payagan ka na nila. Happy birthday, Jay. Love you.
In the morning light, when the world.
Hi girl, happy birthday to you. I want to say thank you for the love, support na lagi mong pinaparamdam sa aming mga kaibigan mo. At sana ma-enjoy mo yung kaarawan mo ngayon at ma-appreciate mo yung mga effort na ginawa ng mga pamilya mo sa'yo. At sana huwag mong kalimutan na pag may problema ka, andito lang kami para damayan ka. At alam mo yan, one call away lang kami. At thank you sa pagkakaibigan natin na almost 3 years na simula grade 10. At sana ay more years at birthday pa na dumating sa'yo at patuloy kang i-bless ni Lord at galingan mo sa pag-aaral mo. Yun lang, I love you. At sana malaman na din nila tito at tita na may nakakausap ka. Nakakatabi lang ng room natin. Sana huwag mo ng secret sa kanila to. Kasi legal age ka na. Pwede ka na.
Happy birthday, Ate LJ. More blessings and birthday to come. We love you.